Hi guys, we are going to discuss theme this week, and you're going to be applying it in several different ways. So one of the best videos that I think is, the best, is this video that was, it's on YouTube. I put it in the slides, so we're going to watch this together, and then we'll go through the slides together.
And by literary work, I mean any work, novel, play, short story, poem, screenplay. The theme, here's your definition, is the central idea of the work of literature. I often oversimplify this term for students by saying it's kind of like the moral of the story, the life lesson the author wants you to take away from the book. It's the message or meaning. That meaning isn't just about the characters, it's more abstract. It applies to you, me, and everyone. The theme is usually universal, but at the very least, it's an idea that's bigger than just these characters in this fictional world. Don't tell me that the theme in Lion King is that Simba had to go back to where his kingdom. The theme is bigger than just that one character. The theme is that all people should live up to their responsibilities, which is needed by the people around them. See, that's a theme. Also, theme is not the same as a subject. The subject of a work can usually be expressed in words. Family, courage, the nature of love. Right? That's the subject. However, the theme is the idea that the writer wishes to express about that subject. It's an opinion, not a fact. If you tell me that the theme is love, something's wrong. And I'll ask you, what about love? The theme isn't a thing. It must be an opinion about that thing. That's why I tell students not to merely Google what is the theme of this book, because you'll often get things like, one of the themes of this book is love, social justice. The way I define it in my classes, those are subjects, not themes. Love is the theme. Love stinks is the theme.
Okay, so this is something that I need you to remember, because this actually explains very simply what a theme is. Love is not a theme because it's just a subject, but there is an opinion here with love stinks. So love stinks because it has this word in here as an opinion. That's a theme. So what we're going to do to understand theme is a couple different things. So we're going to be reading pretty interesting story by Ray Bradbury named All Summer in a Day. This takes place on Mars. So you're going to read that, and you're going to give me a theme and answer those questions on Common Lit. Okay. Then you're going to complete, there's a handout on Classroom all about All Summer in a Day. Okay. So I've posted that in Classroom. Let me click on that. Let me see if I can click on that. There we go. There we go. So here's your handout on All Summer in a Day. You're going to give me some examples of how Margot, and that T is silent in that name, Margot, is bullied by her classmates. Why you think other children are so mean to Margot, and you need to give me several reasons. Okay. How do you think kids feel about locking Margot in the closet when the sun came out? And you'll understand this once you read the story. So you have to provide textual evidence. Now, we did that last week, so you should be able to find a quote, paraphrase something. Give me textual evidence. The number 4, a simile is a comparison of two things such as like or as. You should have learned that in the last few grades. So the sun is like a giant light bulb. Find and quote 4 more similes in the text. Okay. A metaphor is a comparison of two things, but does not use like or as. So, for example, the sun is a flower. Find and quote 4 metaphors in the text. So you need to do a little bit of figurative language hunt in the story as well. So as you're reading through the story, make sure you're looking for those. The last thing is you're going to type your theme statement here. So you got to come up with a theme for All Summer in a Day. Make sure it is an opinion statement, and then you're going to give me textual evidence. So you make up your theme based on what you think the lesson of the story is, and then you need to back it up with information from the story. So this part here is your opinion. This part here is from the story to back it up. The next thing you're going to do this week is pick a song that you would consider the theme song of your life. Now, that is also on Classroom, and down here are our standards. Okay, so let's click on this theme song of your life and see what you have to do. So you're going to, theme, of course, is defined for you up here. And then you're going to choose a theme song you feel represents you or your life. The song must be school appropriate and must represent some portion of your life right now in 8th grade, or any form of your life from the past. So you have to have these 7 slides in your Google slideshow. And since you are remote learners, you can record it just like I'm doing right now on Screencastify. Pretty simple. I think you'll see how simple it is once you try it. So you need a title slide. That everything that is supposed to be on your title slide is listed here. Then you're going to do an album cover, create and illustrate a theoretical album cover. This can be a symbol, an image, an illustration of your choice. It may also include text. Think of this as a visual representation of the song choice and how it relates to your life. This should not be copied and pasted. It needs to be an original, something that is that represents you. Okay. The artist, include a slide all about the artist of the song. Include the artist's name, picture, and a brief, biographical facts. Reflection. So this slide should have why you chose the song, how it represents you, how you connect with the song, and which lyrics from the songs personally speak to you. Your favorite lyric should be on slide 5, and that is illustrate your favorite lyrics in large font. Kind of tell me why those are your favorite lyrics. Then slide 6, figurative language. List some figurative language that you find in the song. This is a review, so you can find similes, metaphors, alliteration, hyperboles, allusions, all kinds of stuff in your song. So anything that you think stood out to you as figurative language, pick a few, put it on slide 6. So this is a good review from last year, since you've been doing figurative language for quite some time. And then slide 7, I just want you to put a link in there for where you got your information. Any place that you used, just put it in that slide. So that slide 7 really is just to give credit to where you gathered your information. We'll be learning this year how to do that correctly, but for now, all I want you to do is just tell me where you got it from. Okay, and then your rubric is down here. So tells you everything you need to have on each slide, so make sure you're using this as a checklist. So remember, theme is a message from the author. Themes can be found everywhere. The theme of a fable is a moral. The theme of a parable is its teaching. The theme of a piece of literature is the view about life or how people behave. Theme is a statement about life. It isn't just one word. So remember, love isn't a theme, but love stinks is a theme because it expresses an opinion. So your theme of your life is going to be due on Tuesday. So essentially you have a week to do that in your spare time. Now on Wednesday we are also going to be talking about, and this goes along with theme, you also in this standard have to provide an objective summary. Okay, so an objective summary, we're going to be looking at this objective summary quest. Okay, so if you click on that, you will find an objective summary quest. Okay, you're going to be using these cards with this story, The Princess and the Pea, and there's a hyperlink there. So there's The Princess and the Pea, and this is a modern fairy tale of the Princess and the Pea, where the princess can't sleep because she's got a pea underneath her mattress. So you're going to read that, and you will fill in the cards that are in this objective summary quest cards. Okay, then just scroll down through here, you'll find those, and you can, if you can't click on this and write in here, just use paper, take a picture of it, and upload it for your credit. Okay, let's see. So one thing I think is very important is that you understand how you might see these topics on the state test. So this week, the focus was that that standard that we just went over. I don't know if I can go back. Let me see. Yeah, I can. Oops. As I pass it up. Right here. Okay. So number 2 here in literacy is to determine a theme or central idea and to provide an objective summary. So how you might see those on the state test is right here. Okay, and I'm going to be putting those on here. You'll see this little, over here you'll see state assessment somewhere. And these are the kind of questions that you might see on the test. So on the state test, they might ask you things like, how does, and they might say a character or setting a plot, develop a theme. Usually you have to select the sentence, or they'll have multiple choice where you select the sentence that provides that answer. Okay, select 3 sentences that belong in an objective summary. Those are the ones where you have to, you have either check boxes or you have to select the sentences. Which paragraph of an objective summary, which paragraph is an objective summary of the passage? They might ask you that. They'll select the whole paragraph. Then they'll have a part A and a part B. So which theme is developed in the passage? And then part B, how do the main character's actions contribute to the development of the theme? So basically you're selecting a theme and then you have to find out which of those sentences for part B supports that theme. So in-class students on Thursday just will have more time to work on those things. So you have the entire week due on Friday. When we get to Friday, there will be an assessment on Classroom over theme and objective summary. So there'll be it'll be a form on Classroom. And then when you're finished, you can work on the theme song of your life project, read in your novel, make sure you're doing that every Monday. Okay.